XB Marketing right here. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online with cpalead or cpagrip. Okay, and you can use this method to promote CPA offers or content lockers. All right, most people don't realize that they are not restricted to the offers available in their countries alone. You can come to this country. Okay, you can come to this country tab and you can choose any offer from any country of your choice, and you can promote offers from there. So let's say I want to promote some French offers. All I need to do is click on France, and I am going to be shown offers available in France. So once I find an offer that I want to promote, all I need to do is click on the offer and then grab the link and start getting conversions to that offer. All right, and also you can choose any category of your choice. And if you want to see all the offers available on cpagrip, just click on all countries, and you are going to see all the offers that are available on cpagrip at the moment. Okay, and like I said, you can use this strategy for content lockers as well. Okay, so basically all you need to do is go to the monetization section and click on URL file lockers. So once you click on that, as you can see here, you can promote any offer that you like. So let me click off this. You can promote any content lockers that you like right here. Okay, all right, so as you can see, there are a lot of content lockers that I have made on cpagrip myself. So to make a content locker is very easy. For those who don't know how to do it, basically just click on create new locker, agree to terms of service, click on continue, and give your locker a name. Okay, give your locker a name, add some description. You can choose a lot of templates here. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with the template they have, you can come to this website called cpagriptemplate.com. If you come to this website, there are a lot of templates that are not available on cpagrip that you can use. Basically just copy the codes. All right, copy the code and paste it in the HTML and the CSS section, and you will be good. All right, so now the first thing we are going to be talking about in this video is choosing your niche. So you can just basically go to Google and type in top niches. Okay, you can type in top niches on Google, and as you can see right here, there are a bunch of suggestions that Google is suggesting to you that you can promote your CPA content lockers or offers. All right, so basically I have about 2,000 niches that I manually researched. A link is in the description if you want to download it. Of course, it's available for only the students in the course, but basically if you want to get free niches that you can choose, you can just do it like this. Come to Google, type in top niches, and you can see any of these suggestions and you can click on any of them. So basically the reason why you want to choose a niche is because you want to build an audience before you start promoting your CPA lockers. Okay, and also you want to make sure that whatever niches that you are going for, you don't want to make it too broad. For example, you don't want to promote niche like health and fitness, because health and fitness is too broad and the competition is intense. So basically you want to go for sub niches, maybe something like fitness for teenagers or fitness for young men or something like that. You know, you want to narrow down your niche so that you can reduce competition as much as you can. And also, before you choose any niche, you want to make sure that you have products that you can content lock for this niche, or there are CPA offers that you can promote for this niche. So you want to have that at the back of your mind before you decide to pick any niche. Okay, so let me recap if you don't understand. If you want to promote CPA offers, then when you are choosing your niche, you want to make sure there are CPA offers available for that niche. But if you want to promote using content lockers, then you want to make sure there are a lot of content that you can lock for this niche as well. Okay, so you want to keep that at the back of your mind. And after you find your niche, you must also keep in mind that you cannot just promote any product that is unrelated to your niche. So let's say, for example, you are in the jogging niche. You don't want to promote an insurance offer or an insurance content locker to that niche, because it doesn't make sense to them and it's not going to convert well for you. So the second thing that you want to do is you want to build an audience, and you can do this on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube. You know, there are a lot of platforms that you can build an audience. And I can assure you that you can do this 100% from scratch. And inside the course, I showed how to get 1,000 followers fast on Instagram. Okay, I showed how to do it the right way before you start promoting your offers, because Instagram is one of the best platforms that you can promote your content lockers, because majority of the traffic coming from Instagram is from mobile, and most of the offers that convert really well are mobile offers, because these days most people are always with their phones. You don't need to use only Instagram alone if you don't want to. You can use YouTube as well, like I mentioned. You can go for Pinterest. Basically, you want to choose any of the social platforms that you are most comfortable with. So the next thing you want to do once you've chosen your niche and once you've built your audience, you want to find the right offer for your audience. And like I said, before you choose any niche, you want to make sure there is a CPA offer for that niche, or there are a bunch of content that you can content log for that niche. Okay, and also you want to make sure you give as much value as you can to your niche before you promote any form of link, because if you don't give them value, they are not going to click on your link. All right, so basically that is how you want to do it. You want to think from the perspective of your audience. So you want to think about what would they actually value, or what would they see as high quality content in this niche. So once you've done that, like I said, you want to strategically promote your CPA offers or your content locker link. And also you don't want to overwhelm your audience with your link. You know, you don't want to promote your link every single day. You want to make sure that you give them as much value before you promote your links. All right, and also you want to be as transparent as possible to your audience. If you are promoting content locker, for example, you want to make sure you let them know they need to complete either one offer or two offers before they can have access to the content. And here is my little advice. I know there are a lot of information out there about CPA marketing, content locking and everything, and it can be really overwhelming, especially if you are a beginner and you don't know how to go around things. Reason why I suggest, if you want to shorten the learning curve and start getting results with CPA marketing, like I've mentioned numerous times on this channel, CPA marketing is the easiest way to make money online, because your visitors don't need to buy anything before you make money. Basically, all they need to do is submit basic information like their email or install an app, and you are going to make money. Okay, so I recommend that you check out my course in the description below. You will learn everything you need to start making money with CPA marketing right away. And if you have any question at all, feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.